Ḥalaikum, brothers and sisters. How are you? Hussain Baba here again. Just now you had a glimpse of Hong Kong. Well, Hong Kong is a beautiful city. In fact, I come from Hong Kong, but now I'm based in Gold Coast. Hong Kong, you can do heaps of shopping, delicious food, Al-ḥamdu Lil-lah. I think it's a place you should visit. Inshallah, if you plan to visit, don't forget to contact Grupo Halal Tours. They can arrange your tours, full tour. So, inshallah, try to visit Hong Kong. There are 5 days, 4 nights tours. You can contact Grupo Halal Tours you can visit their website www.grupohalaltours.com. Alhamdulillah. Now back to my cooking. Last time I did the first episode. Thank you so much for your support. I had an overwhelming support. I'm so encouraged that I'm doing a second one. Jazakallah khairan. So Alhamdulillah, today I'm going to do something to do with Hong Kong. So inshallah, wait for my cooking after this message from the sponsors. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, we are back. Alhamdulillah, today I'm going to cook fried rice. Fried rice have been my all-time favorite. Having grown up in Hong Kong, we eat a lot of fried rice. And Alhamdulillah, fried rice is made in different ingredients. They use it differently. They use meats or seafood or just plain vegetable. But this time today I'm going to make with some vegetable here and some prawns. Now the ingredients for fried rice, which actually we can eat the rice, of course, the main ingredient rice. Then here I have mixed veggie and prawns. Here we have a beaten egg, and here some shallots, oil, light soya sauce. Remember, light soya sauce, not dark soya sauce. People make mistake by putting dark soya sauce. I mean, it should be light soya sauce, please. And then we have sesame oil, but we do very little sesame oil, okay? All right, very little, okay. All right, then let's go to the stove and start cooking. Come on. Here we are, it's my stove, and the first thing that I do is turn on the stove. Well, now the wok has got really warm. That's good. Now I'm going to do is, first thing first, pour some oil. Now this is to make some scrambled egg. So what we need for scrambled egg, of course, is the egg. Look at that. So we quickly scramble it. We don't want it to be overcooked. You know, just quickly scramble, make it a fluffy and a bit soft. This is what here we go. That's what we do. And while we're doing it, you can add a few shallots. That's it, very fast. Yeah, but we will be adding the egg at the later stage. Now we're just making it fluffy. Here we go, done. Here you go. Okay. Now the next one is again oil. Smells good. Oil here. Okay. And this time we're going to add prawns. Look at that. Look at that prawn. Sizzling sound. Cameraman, do you feel a sizzling sound? So we don't add much to prawns. We just add a little bit of soya sauce. Just a little. A pinch. Yes. That's it. Just to get a taste of it. That's it. Look at it. We don't want to have raw prawns in our fried rice. So we need to cook it a bit. Here we go. Maybe we add a teeny weeny sesame oil, just to get the smell. Maybe I just add a bit of garlic to get the flavor. So garlic prawns, that's what we call it. Garlic prawn, just a little bit. That's it. Not much. Yes, sir. Now it's done. So what we do, we put next to the. We put it here. Good. All right, now leave it. So now the next thing to go is a bit more oil, and then add the rice. Add the rice. Look at that. Now remember, the main technique in fried rice is stir frying it. Look at that. You need to stir and fry at the same time. That's how you get the taste. Look like. Because this rice is cold, so you have to make it warm and slightly crispy. I have to increase the fire now. Okay. Ways of making fried rice. This is a unique style for myself. I've been doing for the last 30 odd years. So I like to do this way. People have different ways. They have different ways, but I prefer this way. Yeah, I stirred it for about 2 minutes. So now the veggie is ready to go. Normally what I do is I make a hollow in the middle, put the veggie, and then I cover the veggie with the rice. Now the next step is to add the prawns. Here we go. Right. At the last minute. So just before the egg, I like to add soya sauce. One tablespoon soya sauce. That's enough. 1 tablespoon. You hear the sizzling sound? Look at that sound. And Maa Shaa Allah, it smells good. Maa Shaa Allah. Cameraman, does it smell good? Okay, yes. What I'll do now, I'll add some salt. Salt is up to you, but I like to put like, you know, one teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon, yeah, that's it. We still have some soy sauce left, so why not put 4? Yep. Okay, and not everybody like to put soy sauce when they're cooking in their fried rice. I like to put soy sauce, it gives really good flavor. By the way, while it's stirring, I would like to recommend this is the tea that we drink, a nice tea for detoxing your blood. And if you're interested, you can buy it from, or you can visit their website. There's a company called Grupo Halal Foods, or the Grupo Healthcare, sorry. They're sold in Grupo Healthcare. The website is www.healthcare.com. Yeah, so there are many other items as well, healthcare products. All are natural, 100% natural. Go and have a look at it. And also we have SIDR Honey. SIDR Honey is from Yemen, from Hyderabad. So it has a lot of medicinal properties. Try it. Okay, now we finish up the rest of the shallots. Okay, then the final ingredient, did we put salt? We did put salt, yes, okay. Now this is the egg, here we go. Look at that, first you have to smash the egg like this, yes. And then here we go. Cameraman, isn't it colorful? Isn't it colorful? Yeah. Hey, you should try speaking once in a while rather than nodding your head. Okay, I'm talking to the cameraman. I think we're almost done now. Almost done. Almost done. We're getting there. Okay, turn off the stove. There you are. That's the fried rice from Baba's Halal Kitchen. Alhamdulillah. Now we're going to taste it. We're going to call the food taster. Maa Shaa Allah, Maa Shaa Allah. Look at the steam coming from the fried rice. Look how beautiful it is. Different colors, different sizes, like a multicultural living in harmony. Alhamdulillah. This is Baba's Kitchen fried rice. Now, where's the tester? Just have a bit first and see how it goes. Here we go. Try it. How is it?
Amazing. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, see? The kids say you love it. So once again, thank you very much for watching my program, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next episode, which will be a very exciting episode. And happy cooking. See you next time. Salāmu Alaykum.